now that we have a score box up here, and we could actually register when we're clicking the correct or incorrect answer, we should now get a new problem every time and update our score every time we click. Okay, so let's do that. So let's go ahead and take a look at our code here. And remember, in the last tutorial, we got it, I should say got it right and wrong, but I got it correct, got it wrong. Okay, now when we call from the buttons to grade our answer, we do these things here. So let's, if we got it correct, let's add to our problems correct and our problems total. Okay, so we're going to say, if we got it correct, let's just get rid of this now. We don't need this anymore. We're going to say problems correct plus equals 1. And that's how you write it in C#. You say plus equals 1. And then we are going to say problems total is also plus equals 1. Okay, and then down here we're just gonna say problems total plus equals 1 when we get it wrong. But after we get it correct or after we get it wrong, we want a new problem. Okay, you would probably eventually we'll make a reaction. We'll make the guy animate, our character animate Buck. But for now, we're just gonna make the score change or generate a new problem, and then we'll fix the display. So we're gonna generate a new problem. So after this, we're gonna generate a new problem. So as soon as we click a button, we're gonna generate a new problem. Then we'll update the score in a second. So let's just show that we are going to generate a new problem when I click the button. So let's push play. When I click a button, we should get a new problem. Okay, ready, and okay, and then let's click. So we're getting new problems every time. It's not constantly now if we got it right or wrong, but we're going to update the score. Now, so we could do this a couple different ways. We could just copy and paste this in there. Command C, and then we literally could just put that there and put that there. But I don't know, a lot of people code this way. We're going to do it this way because I think it's gets a little cleaner over time. Public void, we're just going to call this like update scoreboard, or update the score. And then we will then paste that in here, right? So now whenever in our game we want to like change the score, we could just call this function to happen. So we basically will add this right before we generate a new problem. We're going to say update score because we just added to the correct number and then to the total number. And then right after we add to the total number, okay, we will then update the scoreboard, and then we will get a new problem. So let's do that. Push play. So now when I push 31, I got it wrong. You can see I didn't increase that. So this is 20. Let's get it right. So I should get 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. So that's 19. That's 15. And that's 19, and that's 17, and that's good enough for right now, right? And so we are gonna now do something where we get 10 problems correct, and then we will make a new scene. So let's go to we'll make a new scene after we do all that. You know what? How about we end the video here and then make the scene in the next tutorial? That might be the best way to go. Okay, go ahead and have fun setting up your math problems and have fun.